Ever wondered why your home phone still exists, even though everyone uses mobiles now? Well, across the UK, traditional landlines are slowly disappearing and being replaced with something called VoIP. But what exactly is VoIP, and why is everyone switching to it? The word VoIP, VoIP, stands for Voice over Internet Protocol. Sounds complicated, but it's actually very simple. Instead of your phone calls traveling through old copper phone lines, your calls now travel through your internet connection instead. With VoIP, your broadband connection becomes your phone line too. That means many modern home phones now connect directly into your router instead of the old telephone wall socket. The UK is moving away from the old analog phone network because the technology is becoming outdated, expensive to maintain, and far less efficient than modern digital systems. The VoIP phones also come with some major advantages. Calls can sound clearer, monthly bills are often cheaper, and many systems include extra features like voicemail apps, call forwarding, and the ability to answer calls on your mobile phone or laptop. But there's one very important thing many people don't realize. Because VoIP relies on your internet and electricity, your phone may stop working during a broadband outage or power cut. That's why it's always a good idea to keep a charged mobile phone nearby as a backup, especially during emergencies. For most households, switching to a VoIP phone is actually very simple. In many cases, it happens automatically when upgrading to fiber broadband. So, would you switch to a VoIP phone, or are you still holding on to the old school landline? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow A2B Network for more simple tech explained. Connecting made easy.